In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize horizontal lines in a document. This simple yet effective tip can enhance your document's appearance, providing clear visual separation or emphasizing critical sections. So, let's dive in and explore this straightforward process, step by step. To get started, open your document and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the basic formatting tools you need to work with your text. As you navigate to the Home tab, keep an eye out for the Paragraph group. It's here that you're going to locate the Borders drop-down. You might recognize it by its icon, which often looks like a small square complete with borders. Clicking on this opens up a menu with various border options. Now, within this drop-down, you'll see different borders you can apply. What we're interested in for today is inserting a horizontal line or deciding on a bottom border for a paragraph. Both options will achieve a similar visual effect, depending on how you want the line to align within your document. Select the horizontal line if you want a standalone separation. Alternatively, if you prefer the line to adhere closely to paragraph formatting, opt for bottom border. Once the line is in place, you might want to customize its appearance to suit the style of your document better. This is where the real fun begins. While the line itself starts off as a simple paragraph border, the potential transformations are so much more. To make these adjustments, you need to select the line first. A quick click should suffice to highlight it. After selecting your line, head back to that same Borders drop-down in the Paragraph group and click on it again. This time, you're going to select the Borders and Shading option. Clicking on this will open a new window that throws open the doors to a world of customization. Within the Borders and Shading options, you can change the style of the line. There are several different styles to choose from. Look for a style that best complements your document. If you want to add a splash of color or coordinate with your document's theme, you can select the color of your liking from the color palette available. For a more subtle or bold impression, you might find adjusting the width of the line useful. A thicker line might create more impact, whereas a thinner line could appear more elegant and understated. And that's it. With these few steps, you've not only added but also customized a horizontal line in your document to enhance readability and style. Such thoughtful customization can make your document not just more appealing to look at, but also more functional for the reader. I encourage you to play around with different combinations until you find the perfect fit for your latest project. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.